Hello everyone, today I'm not going to show you any crochet or knitting. I'm just going to show you how to make this face mask. It's with a pocket filter here. You put a tissue here. Hope that you find this video useful and that you try to make it instead of going buying it. Why not make it yourself? Hope that you try it. And this is the mask ready, as you can see. Inside here we leave it open here, so we put a tissue inside here, and when you wash it you just take it out and you change it with another tissue. This is from the upside here. You leave here open, as I told you, to put a tissue here, and this is how the final result, how it comes. Hope that you found this video useful and that you try it. Bye for now.